Making object shows? It's easy. All you need is some practice and a little help from me. Step 1. Come up with a plan. Sometimes I write my ideas on paper, just like everybody else. You can have a non-competition show like on the left, or you can have a battle show like mine on the right. Step 2. Designing the characters. There are so many objects you can choose from, but the most important thing is your character's style. You could have hand-drawn or digitally animated object shows. Your object show host could be anything from a number to a Wii U. Step 3 is animation. Lots of people use Adobe Animator Flash 8, but I hate taking all this long time, so I use Flip-a-Clip. Another thing you need to do is some voice acting. I don't have many friends, so I have to voice all the characters by myself. But sometimes that's not what happens. I made my own AI impression on Speechify, and I used it to voice the chalk in TAS 7. Step 4 is to post a video. When you post a video, don't forget to mention your own channel. And to come up with a nice name, you can use Google Gemini. Alright, now you know the 4 steps to making an object show. But here's a question that goes into everybody's head. How do I make my show blow up? Well, imagine that you are a viewer and you want to go watch object shows, but you find so many results, like so many. Which one would you click? Which object show would you want to watch? You would probably pick something that looks fun or exciting or something like that. A lot of people would want to watch your video if you have a good thumbnail like the one on the left. If you have a thumbnail like the one on the right, not many people will watch your video. See what I mean? Maybe if you keep up the good work, you will be the coolest kid in your town. I'm just saying, maybe. That's all I have to say right now. Goodbye!